Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now, Maker Central was a blast. It was great to meet so many different makers and stall holders and just chat with the different businesses there as well. But I did come away with a lot of stickers, so in my next few videos I'll give shout outs to each of those makers that's not yet on my board, and just to spread it out really. But yeah, so keep a lookout for those, and the links will be in the description below. But it has set me behind a bit because I haven't managed to use a weekend to get a turning done, and then it's been back into work, managing and children's activities and everything. So I'm just going to chuck this other piece of apple, similar project to last time, onto the lathe. Now this piece, as you can probably see, is showing quite a number of cracks. There's also a hole there that I think is possibly the same hole there. So whether that runs straight through, I don't know, but we'll find out. So yeah, there's a lot of cracking going on, so I do need to get it up, get it turned, and then do something with it. So bear with me and have a look at see what I get up to with this. So hope you enjoy.
Shook my head. in every way. Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes on see all the crazy. You make my heart believe. Oh, baby, run away with me. Don't leave me lonely.
Well, there you go. There's the final piece. Again, compared to the previous one, which was a lot of doodles, this one was being a bit more deliberate in the design. So adding some leaves and the apple shape, just overcomplicated it with the leaf design there on the apple. But yeah, I like it. I like how the color is brought out by the flames. But then also it was really interesting watching the leaves curl over as the heat was applied. So completely warped out of round, but yeah, a lot of fun. And obviously there's the holes that was from that hole that went right through the log. But yeah, I hope you liked that. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and remember to give the video a thumbs up as well. But I've got a few shout outs from Acre Central. So just going to run through a few of the stickers there. I've got Monkey Boys Workshop. Then obviously got to see and speak with the, Jimmy the Resta. There's also Timber Marvels Woodworking, which was Baz. And then Welsh Thomas, Maker of Things. Surrey Makers. And then Domain Mouse. I think I've been following him for quite a while on Instagram, probably since the first Makers, but only actually got to meet him for the first time this time around, and obviously get his sticker. Then I've got a couple from Vectric as well, with the main sponsors there. And then also got to meet Matt and Johnny from Brothers Make. Great couple of guys, and had a great chat with them there as well. So all the links for these guys will be in the description below, so do go and check out their channels and Instagram pages as well. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. To get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust, moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion.